Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Application to Arrival with Shamira West. I'm Shamira and I've been filming and documenting my first 2 weeks here at York English and Fuzhou, China. This video is going to be all about my apartment tour. I'm going to show you this beautiful space that I'm living in this country, and I'm really happy that I was placed here because I absolutely love it. Unfortunately, at the end of the video, you'll notice that I couldn't really film the neighborhood because in the last 2 weeks, we've just had a ton of rain. We're currently in the rainy season, even though it's summer in most parts of the world. So filming outside with a lot of rain is just not fun and not smart with a phone in my hand. So I showed you bits and pieces of the outside, but not that much. But for the most part, you get to see my whole apartment, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye. This is the hallway of my apartment. And as you can see, the elevators are behind me. And I'm gonna show you my apartment. And ta-da! So this is what you'll see in the entryway when I enter my apartment. And then on your right is the living room. And I just love this open floor plan, which is rare for Chinese apartments. So the fact that we got all this space is just super cool. York English provides you with a dining room table. The apartment is fully furnished, so the couch came with it, the coffee table, and then I mean, y'all, we just take a moment to appreciate this view. Every morning I wake up and I just walk out here and stare out into the window because it is so beautiful. Everyone on Instagram keep asking me like, how do you get such good lighting? It's because of this big open window that we have. It's amazing. And like you can open the window like so to get some fresh air in, but the mosquitoes here have been aggressive and attacking me, so I do not open windows, and it's a little scary, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. So I keep the windows closed, but it's look at that skyline. Look at that skyline. Okay, let's close these windows before I get like 10 mosquito bites. So we have big screen TV. We do get Wi-Fi hookup, which has been an issue since we arrived, but now it's starting to work because I found a solution. This is our AC. It's really weird, huge. I've never seen anything like it in the US, but here in China, I guess it's common. So that's our AC unit. This is our kitchen. Pretty small. I'm used to, in America, having large kitchens, but we do have a lot of storage space. Countertop, microwave, fridge, freezer. And then are you ready for this? One of the biggest shockers when I saw the kitchen was the one burner we have. We have one burner. Like, I love to cook meals and meal prep, so I figured this was going to be a challenge, just having one burner to cook on. So I purchased an electronic burner. So I literally just purchased this electronic burner to just solve the issue of having one burner in our kitchen. So now I have two, which is very convenient. This was only about 300 kwai, which is, I don't know. I will type it on the screen and let you know how much 300 kwai is in USD. Love that we have a window even though there's no view. I hate that this thing is blocking the beautiful view in the front, but that's all good. And then over here is the kitchen. So yeah, really tiny space. You only can have like one person in here to cook and clean. And after you admire this beautiful view, you turn around and there goes the hallway to all the rooms. So the apartment that I was given has a it's a 3-bedroom apartment. So one of the rooms are vacant. So we have a guest bedroom, which is awesome. Any of my friends want to come visit, I have an extra room. But I do have a roommate. He's in his bedroom right now, so I'm not going to disturb him. But I do want to show you the hallway and my bedroom. So here's the hallway. This is the guest bedroom. Or, the vacant room that York English hasn't filled yet, which is cool. So we literally store everything in here because no one lives there yet. This is my bathroom. So I do have a separate bathroom. I have a separate bathroom from my roommate, which is awesome. So this is my personal bathroom. So I just put all my stuff in here. Hi, and a lot of storage space. I have all the things, all my hair products and stuff in here. My contact lens. I have toothbrush, toothpaste in there. Down here, some feminine products. I'm not gonna open that and show you, but yeah, you get the picture. And then all the stuff I need for the bathroom, like toilet tissue, cleaning products, etc. Just your standard toilet. No squatty potties here, thank God. And then my shower. I absolutely love this shower. I had a overhead shower before, so this is really fun to use every single day. I feel like I'm at a spa every single time I take a shower. It's awesome. Now for the moment y'all have been waiting for, where all the magic happens. Just kidding. My bedroom. This is the entryway to my bedroom. Nice and bright. I just love all the lighting in this apartment. Over here, we have some shelving right as you enter. I just moved in 2 weeks ago, so bear with me. If it's a little messy, I'm still organizing here. So yeah, all the stuff. You will see this a lot in foreigners' apartments because the tap water here sucks. So I always have a jug. I hate that I'm using plastic. I might invest in one of those big filter jug thingies. But for now, this is what I have. And this is where I store all my books and some of the cards that I got from friends, family, my best friend Michelle. And then this is my bed. York English did provide me all these sheet covers. I hope to buy my own so I can do laundry, switch them out, all those things. And then one of the things I love about this space is the closets. They have a lot of storage. So I have 3 closets and then some, which I'm probably never going to use because I can't reach those. It makes no sense for me, but I'm absolutely in love with these. So this is the first closet. Got some of my shirts here, folding. My favorite part of the closet. Look at that, isn't it super organized? Absolutely in love. So that's closet number 1. And then closet number 2. I swear, guys, I didn't think in Asian countries apartments were big like this, but we have so much space. So this is where I keep all my shoes, my intimate items, and then extra storage. Oh, and a mirror, which is awesome. So all I have to do is pull this out, and there you have it. Okay, closet number 3, which I don't really open much because, as you can see, my nightstand is blocking it, which was a weird placement, but whatever. I can open the first one, the first door, and this is where I'm keeping all my bags. So yeah, a lot of storage space. You come to Fuzhou and you're bringing your whole life with you, don't worry, you have places to put your shit. There's so much storage spaces here. So I have 2 nightstands and one over there where my laptop is. Up here is my AC. It gets really humid and hot in Fuzhou, so having this is amazing. And then this is my patio spot. So I really love this, that I could wake up in the morning, open my curtains, and just get some really nice bright lighting in here. I'm gonna open this, so just really beautiful. I mean, the view is not as great as my living room, but it's still a view, and I absolutely appreciate it. I just did laundry, washed my sheets. So they provide you with all of these like hanging stuff. Fuzhou just provide you with a washing machine. However, no dryer, so you literally have to hang things up, which is a part of the culture here in China. So if you look across at the other building, you'll see that a lot of people hang up their clothes. So yeah, it is very common here. I'm not used to it, hanging up my clothes and having to wait for it to air dry, but it is what it is. I don't really come out here that often unless I am, one, recording a video or doing laundry. So my screen door stays shut, again, because I don't like bugs. And mosquitoes here are ridiculous. They just attack you at random. So yeah, that was the inside of my apartment. I guess I can go downstairs and show you the neighborhood. Probably won't show you as much, just because I'm a little shy. Being a foreigner, you do get a lot of staring. You do get a lot of people who come up to you and ask you to take their picture and things like that. So I'm probably just gonna walk in front of my apartment building because those people are used to me, but I'm not gonna walk around the block with y'all. If you want to see more, you're gonna just have to come to Fuzhou. So I'm gonna go downstairs and show you the rest of the outside of the building. So it's a new day. I had to film in a different day because of rain, and it's still raining. So I'm going to test it out. Hi. I'm gonna test it out and see. Yeah, no, it's still raining. So I'm not gonna be able to hold out my camera and film, unfortunately. And I don't want to delay this video. I mean, from the inside I can do it. So this is the entryway to my building. And this is outside. So I'm probably going to end filming in a bit, just to show you here. This is the outside entryway. So since I arrived here, we've been having rain, and more rain. It's summer, but it's called the rainy season, so there's not a lot of sunny days. I think I've been here for 3 weeks and I've seen like maybe 4 or 5 sunny days. So me filming outside and showing you the neighborhood is not the best thing right now, but I'm outside my apartment building that you can see behind me. And yeah, sorry guys, that's gonna be the end of my video. Hopefully in the future I can show you more of it through my website and through York English, but I hope you enjoyed this tour of my apartment at least, and not my neighborhood, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.